And now here was 1, 3. So 1 for 3. Shot clock at 10. So 1 for 3. Pass. 3-1 shot. Seconds. Al Carlos. Oh, naiwanan yung depensa. Al Carlos works. Basket for 2. Baseline Al Carlos against De Leon. Al Carlos works. Pass baseline Pineda. 3. Pineda for 3. Right now, first ball para dito sa ating team, Thomas Briani. That's the first 2 points para dito kay Escoto, number 21, Moraga. And baseline, 3-point shot, Nugi. And big bang. This first quarter, Al Carlos, pull-up jumper, using the glass, connected the 2 points. And now 3-point shot, 3. On number 5, Kumbao, up jumper, Nugi. And a rebound, the pass on version number 3. Pass on number 5, Kumbao. And a swing to number 23, Kumbao, using the glass. Pass to Al Carlos. Carlos on the run, that's using the glass. Basket is good. Baba sa 5 kalamangan dito ng ating San Juan. And an inside pass. Para dito ay number 5. Al Carlos, ball fake against Moraga. Turn around. Tapik ang bola. Al Carlos, block. Recovers. That's using the glass. Carlos, looking for open man and a cross-court pass. Malyari for 3. Bang! For the team, San Jose opponent. Inside pass, Francisco. That's a volley and drop. Basket for 2. Right now, steal. Number 5. Drives to the one and Francisco. Basket for 2. And a rebound on JV. Pass to De Leon. Al Carlos drives. Basket for 2. Moraga. 10 seconds to shoot. Inside pass. Number 5. That's a 23-17. Carlos atake sa gitna. That's a basket is good. And now ng kill. Baseline Al Carlos against De Leon. Al Carlos drives for 2. 21-26. Another steal. Al Carlos on the run. Carlos drives. That's a back-to-back 2 points. Para dito kay Al Carlos. And now number 5 inside pass. That's volley of pass on De Leon. Basket is good. Shot clock good tayo, another 14 seconds. Al Carlos, oh, naiwanan yung depensa. Sumama pati pamilya. Bigay kay Carlos, kick out pass, baseline, Pineda. 3. JV Malyari, kick out pass, Charlemagne Liam, and Pineda. 4 seconds. Whoa, that's a recover for the 2 points. So number 17, Pineda. Number 10. Drives and a kick out pass. Pineda for 3. Bang! JV Malyari pass to Pineda. Nang kill to Malyari. Shot clock at 12. Malyari drop pass. Dex Valansala. Ang linaw ng mata. Nugi. Ball scramble and now Pineda.
Nagmamadali na naman si Pineda dahil sa kanin lamig na lang ang iniwanan. Mamaya po, mamaya.
5:31, 4 minutes and 40 seconds for the second quarter. 3-point shot, number 23. Bang! 3!
14 seconds. And now ng kill. Dex Malansala, Pineda inside. Connected na naman.
Al Carlos looking for open man. Inside pass ng kill.
Nawala yung depensa ng ating San Juan ng unan.
1 minute to play. Number 5, Malgari drive. Using the pass. It's a basketball team. For the white shirt, and now Moraga. And a lead pass, Malgari. Pass down on number 5. 44. Baseline 3. Bang! 3. 49. Montemayor from downtown. Bang! 3. Moraga, Montemayor. 3. Timeout. Down on Malyari. Pass to Montemayor. Eto na naman! Boris Khan! On number 5, Malyari. Baseline, 3-point shot! Bang!
Tatlong magkasunod-sunod na 3 points galing dito kay Mr. Montemayor. Baba sa isang kalamangan. 60-61. And now David. Kick out pass Escoto. 12 seconds to shoot. Inside pass Al Carlos. Naipit na traffic. And now Pineda. Number 17 for the 2 points. 60-65. 5-point game. Pineda for 3. Bang! Basket is good. And a foul. And a steal. Pineda number 17. Basket is good. And now De Leon. Inside pass. Dex Malansala. Pineda for 3. Bang! 3. And now cross-court pass on Moraga. Number 5, Malgari. Basket is good. Against David. Number 5, Malyari. Shot clock at 7. Number 5, Malyari for 2. Shot clock is off na tayo. Game clock. Setting up the play. Sungkwad for 3. Bang! Pass to number 23. Sungkwad. Francisco against David. Katawan sa katawan. Kick out pass. Shot clock at 10. Sungkwad for 3. Bang! 3. Now Malyari JV. And a bounce pass. That's a good defense para dito sa ating white shirt. 8 minutes gone by. Or rather 2 minutes gone by. Seconds on the shot clock. For the team is G. And now bounce pass. Baseline. Basket for 2. Eto na yung sinasabi ko eh. Napanood ko na to last time. 3-point shot. Al Carlos. 3. 77-84. Francisco. Shot clock at 8. Peek out pass. 3-point shot. Bang! 3. Baba sa 4. And now 3 minutes gone by. Argel De Leon. No good. And a rebound on number 11, Francisco. Ito, simple lang pero ano? Number 23. Ball big, bounce pass, Francisco inside, connected tayo dyan, baba sa dalawa. And yung vlogger natin nandito, Yapak Culture, basketball, 6 minutes to play, Al Carlos, shot clock at 10, Carlos on the baseline, grab pass on ng ina, sundutan pa ng bola, and now number 5, Malyari, pass to Moraga. 3-point shot tayo. And a handshake foul. That's a good goal on number 25, Al Carlos. Second personal foul. Team foul number 3.
Naging
Deadlock tayo, 84 all. And now Argel De Leon. 3-point shot. Bang! Boom! Ang kill. Nawala pa yung bola. Ito naman, Moraga. Number 5, using the loss. Francisco, ito, bilisan yung laro natin. Si De Leon kontra kay Moraga. Shot clock at 8. Francisco, 4 to shoot. Francisco pull up. Missing the last. Basket for 2. Eto, lobo na sa 5. Ang kalamangan dito ng ating San Jose Apunan. That's a 92-87. Under 3 minutes to play. De Leon, 14 on the shot clock. 3-point shot. Bang, bang, 3. On number 0, Moraga. De Leon, that's good. Napasa pa ni Moraga. And a 14-second shot clock. De Leon. And a foul, pushing foul. That's a good call. Tinulak si De Leon. Para di De Leon. Against Francisco. Argel for 3. Again. And a lead pass. Number 23 recovers. Basket for 2. Pineda. 14 seconds. Pull up jumper. No good. Ball is scrambled and now number 1, De Leon. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Number 23. Pass to Moraga. Inside pass, Francisco. Basket is good. Ganda ng play na pinapakita sa ball. And now all Carlos. Ball fake. Shot clock at 8. Carlos, ganda ng depensa ng ating white shirt. 5 seconds. Ball fake. 45 seconds. Lead pass. Reversal. 40 seconds. Nilaro pa. Pineda. Step back. Drop pass. Baseline 3. Again. Maalat na talaga. 30 seconds. O, kanin lamig na lang. 98. Na tayo. 3-point shot. Pineda. Di tumama. 14 seconds. Okay, congratulations.